Sometimes when you're in the woods in the middle of nowhere, you have a blade emergency. This thing is super dull. It doesn't cut anything. So this is what you need in order for you to go ahead and sharpen this up. Now it has multiple locations for you to go ahead and do so, which makes it awesome as well. So if this is not enough, you have the white stuff. You can do it too, right here. And you also have the ceramic and carbide over here that you can use as well. You can keep on sharpening your knife until it gets extremely sharp. Now, sometimes as you keep on doing this, what happens is that you're just so busy sharpening the knife, and guess what happens? All my troops, all my buddies are left me. So what do? Very simple. We have the rescue whistle here. Just let them know you're right there. They will come and check you out. Let's talk about the Odenwolf Blade Professor. Let's say you're in the woods in the middle of nowhere, and guess what? Your blade totally sucks and you can't actually do anything. Now this company is really cool because it has a wolf on the feature over here, and it does "Ooh." Now one of the reasons I really like this specific company is that they came up with the ultimate tool for you to use in case of an emergency. And the last thing you want is when you're camping is for your blade to go dull. You're using it, and guess what? You've been using it a lot, and now what? It's totally really bad. So you need an emergency tool for you to use to sharpen it up. As you're busy sharpening it up, guess what? It's not really sharpening that well. So this one is the right tool for the job. There is so many different features and functions over here that's going to make sure that your blade is going to be super up to snuff. And the reason why, because this thing has so many awesome features that it actually is going to be the most amazing blade sharpener you can get for the money and for the budget. Furthermore, it has a lot of different tools that you can use here in case of an emergency as well. Let's go into first what happens if you go ahead and lose it. Well, you're not going to lose it because there is a clip over here that you can put right on yourself as you're going to different places and so on. Then if you take it out and your blade is totally dull, what are you going to be doing? Well, we can go ahead and sharpen it. There is so many different ways for us to sharpen. First off is the blade over here, which is the ceramic that you can use for this knife, and you're sharpening it over here. Next thing is this really cool feature over here. Safety first, put the blade away, and I'll show you right now. So you press it down, and we have this. Oh yeah, what is this? This is specifically made for you to go ahead and prop someone, or of course to go ahead and sharpen your knife. Now, in case this is not good enough and your knife is still dull, well, we have the carbide side right over here, and under it the ceramic one right under. So you can use either one of those to go ahead and sharpen the knife and make it even more sharpened as you're doing it. And guess what? I've been going ahead and spending all my time sharpening my knife. Guess what happened? All my buddies just left. And when it comes to that, you have to go ahead and call them back because they're gonna take the car and go away. Well, this is the whistle we have just for this specific purpose. Or if you get lost, of course, we also have this just in case, and you can go ahead and call for help. You never know when you need an extra whistle. Furthermore, sometimes your blade or you just need a screwdriver. And this one has that as well. So there is a hidden spot here, and you can put any kind of a bit right in here, but specifically we have the golden bit that is situated right in here. You can see the golden core right over here. So as you take this out, well, what is the use of a bit without an actual screwdriver holder? Well, this has it right there. On the top over here you can have the holder, and now you can go ahead and start using it to fasten things up, fix things up, or specifically to open that door that you've been stuck and you can't get out of. So primarily, this has so many awesome purposes with a hidden place, a compartment that you can go ahead and hide your stash, like a really small stash that is, or of course you can hide right here your secret tool to get out of any other surface, or specifically, hey, we just need one secret bit that we can use for just about anything, and the Storex bit is right inside, hidden right in here. So there we go. What do we have over here? Lots of awesome tools for us to use for EDC purpose, and primarily the Blade Professor has it all. The ultimate tool for EDC survival, and specifically for your blade to get all the help it actually needs, especially if it goes super dull. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on sharpening my knife, and you should do so as well. If you're looking for some awesome blade for you to go ahead and use, well, forget the Benchmade, just get one of those. This will do it for you.